Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate a Visa card, right? So it's very easy. You have to just, of course, you can use your browser over your phone or over a PC laptop, depending upon your preference. But if you just want to activate, then make sure that you just copy this name. It is called Visa Prepaid Processing, right? Of course, this is a, the original, or you can say genuine website of the Visa. So once you type and paste it over the Google, right, and once I click on the search bar, here you can say that this website will appear, that is called visaprepaidprocessing.com, right? So once I click here, it will load for a few seconds, and here you can see that this is basically a Bank of America, but it will help you to activate your account, right? So here you can see that let's go to the first part. Here it says that your employee development department debit card for Bank of America. You can just click on activate my card. Once you click on activate my card, you will get this option. You can just enter your card number, then the CVV number, or the three important number given behind of your card. Then you can just click on continue, right? Then after that, it will just give you a notification of it over your email, and that's it, your card is activated. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video.